Hey everyone, welcome to Technical Widget Youth channel. Today I will tell you how you can add AR stickers to your Google camera in your Xiaomi MiA1 or any other device. So watch this whole video and I will tell you how you can do that. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you will need this file. The very first is AR sticker application and AR core application and one XML file which is calibration. I will give the link of these files in the description. So you also need ES File Explorer. Just install ES File Explorer from the Play Store. Open the ES File Explorer and go to the download section. Simply copy this calibration file and paste it into the root section. Go to the root, just click on this slash icon, it will be the root, and now you have to find the system folder. Then you have to open the etc folder and you have to paste that calibration file into this destination. I had already pasted, so it's asking me to override the file, so I will not override. I will simply click on skip, and now I will go back and I will install this application which is AR sticker and AR core one by one. So now I'm going to install the AR sticker application. Simply click on the install and then it will get installed. Alright, so it's installing. After that I have to install the AR core application. Simply click on done and now install the AR core application. Click on install and install the AR core application. Now click on done again. Now you have to open the root explorer option in your ES File Explorer. Just enable this root explorer option and now go to root directory once more. Now in your root directory you will find a file which is build.prop. Simply open that file in ES editor and at the bottom of that file you will find the code which I had written. So you have to write this code of 2 lines, which is ru.config.calibration_card equal to system/etc/calibration_cat.xml. I will give this code in the description. You have to write this code into this file at the bottom. After writing this, you have to simply click on the save button. I will give this code. You have to simply copy and paste that code into this build.prop file. Simply click on the edit and paste this file here. After pasting this file, you have to click on the save button, which you can see at the top right corner. Click on save, then go back, and after that you have to close your ES File Explorer. Now you have to open your Google Camera application. Simply open that and just click on the menu icon at the top. Then you will see the AR sticker option over here. Click on AR stickers. Now you have to calibrate the area. It will ask you to rotate your device so that it will sense the platform to launch the application. After that you will see the list of icons, AR sticker at the top. Simply drag and drop at the location where you want. You can use your finger to position the AR sticker all around your location. Simply place at a suitable location. Here you can see it is detecting the platform. Now simply okay, so now it has detected the platform and it has been placed. Now you can rotate your camera, it will work properly. So you can see this sticker is working properly on my Xiaomi MiA1 device. So this is the method by which you can put the AR sticker into Google modded camera application. You can simply record the video, post it on social media platform. You can also add several more stickers. Just simply click on the top arrow and you will see all the icons. You can see, if you want to delete any sticker, simply click on that right corner, the delete button, and you can delete it. So right now I'm recording this video, you can see it's recording properly. So these are the method by which you can add AI sticker into your Google modded camera. So thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, please comment if you have any query, and please do subscribe my channel, because I will be posting the similar videos and you will get the notification as soon as I'll post any video. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.